Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Terms Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called Poisson distribution. In statistics, a Poisson distribution is a probability distribution that is used to show how many times an event is likely to occur over a specified period of time. In other words, it is a count distribution. Poisson distribution often used to understand independent events that occur at a constant rate within a given interval of time. It was named after a French mathematician, Denis Poisson. The Poisson distribution is a discrete function, meaning that the variable can only take specific values in a potentially infinite list. Put differently, the variable cannot take all the values in any continuous range. For the Poisson distribution, the variable can only take whole numbers, for example 0, 1, 2, 3, like that, with no fractions or decimals. A Poisson distribution can be used to estimate how likely it is that something will happen X number of time. For example, if the average number of people who buy cheeseburgers from a fast food chain on a Friday night at a single restaurant location is 200, a Poisson distribution can answer questions such as what is the probability that more than 300 people will buy the burgers. The application of Poisson distribution thereby enables managers to introduce optimal scheduling system that would not work with, say, normal distribution. Modern examples include eliminating the number of car crashes in a city of a given size. In psychology, this distribution is often used to calculate probabilistic frequencies of different types of neurotransmitter secretion. Or if a video store averaged 400 customers every Friday night, what would have been probability that 600 customers would come on any given Friday night? Thanks for watching. Bye.